Centrally located here in Kirkland, the Houghton neighborhood is known for its wide open lake views from the homes. Each home is stair-step down towards the lake. This home though is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath remodeled. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go take a look. So my favorite part of this home is this view deck. Outdoor living under the stars with the gas fire pit and endless views of Lake Washington, the Seattle skyline.